Is there really such a thing as a high-ticket commission formula? So I was talking to my student in a few weeks, and he was telling me how hard high-ticket commissions used to be. And I get it, they really are. It seemed that everyone else was achieving high-ticket commissions, but him. But no matter how hard he tried, he just couldn't work it out. And I was the same. I remember trying for years and years to make high-ticket commissions. With so much conflicting advice out there, it seemed like I'd never make it. Until I started to make some high-ticket commission. And I worked out a formula that worked for me. And not only did it work for me, it started to work for my students as well, over and over again. And the great thing is, it is super simple to learn, and anyone can learn it. And last week, my student Gary finally clicked on how to use the formula. And he made just short of $6,000 in 1 week. Want to find out what this formula is and how it works? In the description below, there a one-time link that you can click, create an account for this one mega link, and watch the limited time replay, where I laid out this simple formula that anyone can use to help them make high-ticket commissions. Leave a comment below and I'll reply with the link. Just know this is year 24, not year 2016 anymore. And you have less than 13 hours as the replay will take them down for good. So what is the real secrets to $1,000 a day in high-ticket affiliate commissions? If you're looking to achieve $1,000 days with high-ticket affiliate commissions, it's essential to understand the key strategies and techniques that top affiliates use. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you unlock these secrets and maximize your earning potential. 1. Choose the right high-ticket products. It seems easy, like it sounds. However, selecting the right high-ticket products is crucial. Look for products or services that offer significant value and have a proven track record of high conversions. Some popular niches include online courses. These often come with high price tags and lucrative commissions. Software and tools. Many businesses, even individuals, are willing to invest in premium software to improve their operations and life. Remember, it's year 2024. Luxury goods, high-end consumer products, from the electronics to fashion, can yield substantial commissions. Second, building a targeted audience. Your success in high-ticket affiliate marketing depends largely on your audience. Focus on building a targeted and engaged audience that is interested in high-value products. Use these strategies. Content marketing. Create high-quality content that addresses the needs and pain points of your target audience. Social media. Utilize platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, and YouTube to connect with potential buyers. Email marketing. Build and nurture an email list to promote your high-ticket offers directly. 3. Craft compelling sales funnels. A well-designed sales funnel can dramatically increase your conversion rates. Your funnel should capture leads. Use lead magnets such as free ebooks, webinars, or trials to gather contact information. Nurture leads. Provide valuable content and build trust with your leads through email sequences and retargeting ads. Close sales. Use persuasive sales pages and limited time offers to encourage conversions. 4. Utilize testimonials and case studies. Social proof is powerful. Showcase testimonials and case studies from satisfied customers to build credibility and trust. Highlight specific results and benefits that users have experienced. And 5. Optimize for conversions continuously. Optimize your campaigns to improve performance. Test different headlines, calls to action, and landing page designs. Use analytics tools to track your results and make data-driven decisions. 6. Leverage webinars. Webinars are an effective way to sell high-ticket products. They allow you to provide in-depth information, answer questions in real time, and create a personal connection with your audience. Ensure your webinars are engaging and packed with value. 7. Invest in paid advertising. While organic traffic is valuable, investing in paid advertising can accelerate your results. Platforms like Google Ads, Facebook ads, and LinkedIn ads allow you to target specific demographics and reach a larger audience quickly. 8. Follow up diligently. Many high-ticket sales happen in the following. Don't be discouraged if you don't close the sale immediately. Use follow-up emails, phone calls, or messages to address any concerns and guide your prospects towards making a purchase. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your chances of achieving $1,000 days with high-ticket affiliate commissions. Remember, consistency and persistence are key. Keep refining your approach and stay committed to providing value to your audience. Is there really such a thing as a high-ticket commission formula? In the description below, there is a one-time link that you can click, create an account for this one mega link, and watch the limited time replay, where I laid out this simple formula that anyone can use to help them make high-ticket commissions. Leave a comment below and I'll reply with the link.